You're running, or at least you're trying to. There's something behind you. You can feel it. Breathing. Closer. You tell your legs to move, but they weigh 100 pounds. You swing your fist, and it lands like it's underwater. Here's the terrifying truth. Your brain did that on purpose. During REM sleep, the stage where dreams feel real, your brain activates something called REM Atonia. It's a built-in paralysis. While your mind creates monsters, your brain shuts off your muscles. Not because it hates you, but because it's protecting you. If it didn't, you'd run into walls, punch through glass, throw yourself out of bed, so your brain locks your body down completely. But here's the dark part. What happens if your brain forgets to unlock you? You wake up, your room is dark. You can see the ceiling, but you can't move. You try to scream, nothing. And sometimes, the dream doesn't stop. Shadows in the corner, a weight on your chest, something standing at the foot of your bed. This is sleep paralysis. Your mind is awake. Your body is still trapped in REM Atonia. The monster was never chasing you. It was your brain holding you still. If you want to uncover more of the secrets your subconscious hides every night, subscribe to Dreamscape Psychology, and I'll see you in your dreams.